Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to robotics competition. I am Slow. Hey guys, good morning. I didn't tidy my hair yet. Every morning when I wake up, I just wanna sleep more. So and quickly dress up. So I didn't tidy my hair. But when I reach my company, arrive my company, I will tidy it in my car. So here is the thing. Recently the robotic competition, Chinese robotic competition for the universities students is going on. So I want to show you how it looks like, or how robotic competition it's like. I think the robotic competitions, there isn't much difference about the robotic competition in different countries. I think the rules about how you will win, how it would be like, is very similar to in different countries. When the sun begins to rise, you will look into the sky. It's for the university's students. If they win these competitions, they will get a certification, and this certification is very useful for helping them to get a good job after the graduation or study master degree in a better university. So yeah, this competition is useful. I'm in charge of one project about the humanoid robot, and let me show you how it looks like. I feel I'm like a soldier when I put this like this. So I'm in an online conference now before the robot competition. Here are so many conferences talk about how should we prepare it, how we'll do it, and how it will going on. So just make the plan and discuss whether the plan is okay. So look, many people on here. Maybe it's about oh my god, 100 plus. 100。This one will talk about humanoid robot called the robot and Alice. I remember it's like this. And I'm in charge of this project too. It means on the price there are many QR code. You can say QR code, and then the robot will scan the QR code and follow the QR code to work. And there are some obstacles like the door, the high door, and some steps, floors, and there is a ball, and even a paper wall. Whether he can step the floor There are 3 floors. Every floors is 3 meters, 3 meters high, and 40 meters long. 40 meters long. Except for online meetings, there were also other work contents such as robot competition rules, score table design for each competition event. You can say that the rules have 200 plus pages. That's a lot. These rules dictate what tasks the robot should be able to perform in what kind of scenarios. So I often got off work until the evening in those days. Anyway, the light view of this road is very beautiful. As the time passed by, the thing was going good. Oh my god, now they are make up the meeting room. This is where some speakers will do the speech, and that is a flower. Looks beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to robotics competition. I am slow. I'm playing. I'm doing a speech here. Dun, dun, dun. Normally, the robotic competition will hold offline, but this year, because of the pandemic, so it was held online. Before the formal competition, this was a robot show for encouraging the students. Other people such as contestants, judges, hosts, and so on join online meeting rooms like Room and Google Meeting to carry out this competition. The offline one normally looks like in the picture, you can see. I think there isn't much difference about the robotic competition in different countries. Nowadays, many countries organize the robotic competition. You can join it, but some competitions just for students, university students, high school students, and the secondary, primary. So if you are not that age, sometimes you can't join. And the most influenced organizations about the competitions. I don't know the some other countries, but I know the international one is this, and the Chinese one is this. You have to join the competitions first in your cities, and your city will choose the number 1, number 2, and number 3 list, and then